Hello everyone, this is Lucy with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to disable your laptop keyboard when an external is connected. So first you need to go to Device Manager, and here you need to search for keyboards. So this is an external keyboard and this is the default keyboard that the laptop has. You need to right click on it and click on Update Driver. So it will ask you to search automatically or browse the drivers. Click on Browse for drivers on your computer. So it will ask you to set the locations. Just click on the next option. Let me pick from a list available. So here you need to uncheck this show compatible hardware and you need to click anything else than your computer. So my laptop is Lenovo, so select anything else than your own laptop and click on next. So it will ask you to confirm your installation. You just need to click on yes. So after you have updated your driver, you need to restart your computer and you will see that your laptop keyboard is not working, but your external keyboard connected to your laptop will be working completely. So by any chance, if you need to enable the default laptop keyboard, then go to the same location, Device Manager, and search for keyboards. Click on your laptop's keyboard and click on Update Driver. Again, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick, and here you just need to click on your default keyboard and just click on next and you're done. Again, you will need to restart your computer, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.